Iran warns to attack Israel with weapons it has not used before, as it gets arsenal supplies from Russia. Tehran is receiving an extensive arsenal from Russia, including anti-aircraft launchers and fighter jets, and is announcing to fire weapons it has never before used in a severe, extensive, and painful response to the slightest action by Israel. Abul Fazl, a spokesperson for the Iranian parliament, that the Islamic Republic will confront any Israeli aggression and respond to it. Before we proceed with the news and facts, please like and subscribe the channel to continue to receive such informative videos. Thank you. We are ready to use weapons that we have not used before, the Iranian official told the press. President RAISI warned the Jewish would face a painful response if it takes even the slightest. We have plans for all scenarios, and we call on the Zionists to act rationally. The blind support of some Western countries to the Zionist regime is the cause of tension in the region, he said. According to the Daily Express, we will respond in a massive, broad, and painful manner to the slightest action targeting Iranian interests. The Islamic Republic has multiple and extensive nuclear installation network, which includes in addition several nuclear research sites, 2 uranium mines, a research reactor, and 3 uranium enrichment plants. In November 2023, the International Atomic Energy Agency reported that Iran's uranium stockpiles were more than 20 times more than the limit signed upon under the Jacopa-Iran nuclear deal. The United Nations agency noted that Iran had enriched uranium beyond 60% purity, which is approaching to the weapons grade level. It further pointed out that Iran has enough enriched uranium to build at least 3 atomic bombs. The experts' report earlier this month noted that Iran's stockpile of enriched uranium, coupled with its centrifuge capacity, are possibly enough to make up to 7 nuclear weapons in 1 month. Iran has started getting weapons from Moscow, including anti-aircraft launchers, drones, and missiles. The Washington Post reported Russia has vowed to support Tehran with air defense technology and equipments, advanced fighter jets and their components, as well as technical support for the spy satellites. Future agreements are likely to include efforts to rebuild Iran's air force, which Iran desperately needs to. Presently, it is made up of rebuilt Soviet and U.S. jets from before 1979. Iran's supply of spy satellites and related technologies. Tehran is looking for Russia's anti-aircraft launchers, which military analysts say are capable of destroying stealth fighter jets operated by the U.S. and Israeli Air Force. Iran is supplying thousands of drones and missiles to Moscow to support Ukraine war. Russia is buying since last year about $2 billion worth of military hardware and equipments, including anti-drone defense systems, from Tehran. The Islamic Republic is supplying Russia with surface-to-surface missiles, which are already transferred. Russia has got more than 600 jet-powered drones that are able to travel at a speed of 400 miles per hour, 3 times faster than the drones already in stock. The United Nations is pursuing both Israel and Iran against escalation. Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant told U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin that Israel has no choice but to retaliate against Iran.